This is one of our favourite sectors. This is the future that supports local and across UK growth of sustainable energy origin. So anyone who has a business or an individual who has an asset that generates clean and green energy will want to make sure that they are exporting that energy and receiving a fair price back. We support individual generator assets in making sure that their energy can be seen, can be sold. We arrange the mediation of those agreements between suppliers and end users, and more clients than ever are coming to us nowadays saying, how can I receive that energy? Do I need to be next door on a private wire? Can I receive that through the grid? How do I receive my Renewable Energy Guaranteed Origin certification? So it's a growth sector, and we're highly encouraging of anybody that has a generation asset to speak to us. We're capable across all areas. We don't just talk about it, we resource it, we do it, we have examples of it, and we've moved with the times. A large part of, particularly in the UK market, that's been focused on in consultancy world for a long time has just been energy procurement and bureau, and there's a really important place for those things, but carbon requirements, anything to do with your building optimization, is fundamental to making sure that the whole piece works in unison. And if you're not delivering all of those types of service, unfortunately, you're just doing part, and your customer will need somebody else to fill the gaps. You've got to be more efficient than that. So that's where we excel. They didn't get into that business to spend half of their life on energy and utility costs, carbon commitments, compliance. The amount of barriers that are thrown to businesses now, whether it's a high cost of energy or compliance needs, or their investors are demanding something, or the supply chain is challenging them. If they don't meet net zero, then they're going to be dropped. There's so much more complexity to it now. So I think most people I speak to hate the fact that there's so many challenges stopping them what they got into business to do originally. We take that pressure off. We support with that specialist knowledge that allows them to do what they do best, and we make sure they get to the best place they possibly can on a decarbonisation journey.